Okay guys, I just made $10,000 500 trading this coin right here, BitTorrent. Okay, I shared this trade in the private list right here on December 3rd. The number is so small, we bought this coin for 5,000 satoshis and put a sell order up here at 10,000 satoshis. 109%, I made $10,000 500. How my software pick this pump here before the pump? By tracking the volume, guys. Let me show how it's done. BitTorrent. Okay, let's go to the charts. Take a look how beautiful this charts. On December 4, the volume of this coin was $12 million. It's right there. The volume doesn't lie. December 5th, the volume of this coin was $67 million. That's insane, right? So my software picked this move right here. The volume spike plus buyer power. This is the pump combination. That's what my software is tracking right now. 3,000 coin, guys. Right here, BitTorrent. Trades I shared in the private list this week was ShapeShift, Trisolaris, PIZA, Octopus, BitTorrent, and Polkastarter, guys. Overall, we just hit 689% profit. I made $68,000 on the single trades. Just trade crypto pumps. Let's go to another example here. Polkastarter. Okay, I shared this trade in the private list right here on December 3rd. Before the pump, we bought this coin for 44 cents. Put a sell order up here, 80 cents. We made over 80%. I made $8,000 this trade. How my soft pick this move? Exactly the same strategy, guys. Here we go. Polkastarter. Take a look at the volume. Guys, the volume doesn't lie. November 30, the volume of this coin was 1.7 million. December 1st, the volume of this coin was $25 million. Guys, if I made $8,000 trade this coin, you can make the same profits I do. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment per week, guys. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. My software right now is tracking 3,000 coins. Let me show how many coins I share in the private list here. Swing trade up. All those coins I share in the private list. BitTorrent, Classic, Superverse, Hollow, Venus, Polka Network, Well Mix, BitChat, blah blah blah. Here we go. Over and over and over. Guys, 3,000 coins. Okay? Like I mentioned before, we don't care for the coin, we don't care for the technology behind. All we care is the volume, guys. That's what we're looking for. Volume pump, 12 million, pump to 67 million. Here we go again. That's all we go. All we care is the volume. Volume is confirmation. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Feel free to reach me out. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.